Dongguan Jinyu Automation Equipment Company. We have been rooted in the industry for more than 20 years. Started with a small, several hundred square meter factory and expanded to over 4,000 square meters. From the PVC drip molding to silicone intelligent drip molding, automatic molding production lines, intelligent production lines, including automatic PVC silicone dispensing machines, smart ovens, silicone hydraulic presses, silicone embossing machines, smart mixer and cutter, etc. And we developed the high-precision micro-injection molding machine can apply for auto parts, medical components, electrical parts, baby products, etc. As a high-tech automation equipment enterprise integrating independent R&D, design, production,